Rogers Device Protection safeguards your devices against damage, loss, theft, or malfunction. To file a claim, first verify your device's eligibility by ensuring it's actively enrolled and the incident occurred during your coverage period. Log in to your MyRogers account and select File a Claim. Provide detailed information about the incident, including the device's IMEI number and a clear description of what happened. Upload any supporting evidence, such as photos of the damage. Pay the deductible, which varies depending on your device and coverage plan, typically ranging from $50 to $200. You can pay via credit card or direct account billing. Rogers will assess the damage and decide whether to repair or replace your device. Repairs are prioritized for sustainability. The entire process, thanks to AI-assisted diagnostics, can now be completed online, significantly reducing claim approval times. Rogers Device Protection prioritizes repairing devices over replacing them, reflecting a commitment to sustainability and reducing e-waste. If your device is repairable, Rogers will arrange for it to be fixed, often using refurbished parts as part of their eco-friendly repairs initiative. This can take approximately 5 to 10 business days. If the damage is irreparable, such as total loss, Rogers will replace your device with a comparable model. Note that depreciation may apply, meaning you might not receive a brand new device. Keep in mind that international claims are limited and backlogs may occur during peak seasons. A key trend is the rise of AI diagnostics, with AI estimating repair costs instantly in 70% of claims, speeding up approvals and reducing fraud. The focus on sustainability has increased repair claims by 25%. Rogers also bundles protection with services like Ignite TV for discounts.